dear student. Question number 7 we are given. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol? So let's note down what we are given in the question in a statement form. Distance covered by a car equal to 16 km. So please note down. Let's start. Distance covered by a car starting now. Distance covered by a car. Distance covered by a car. That is, we are given in kilometer. That is 16 kilometers. So let me note down. This is 16 kilometer. Okay. Then next is what we are given here. 1 liter of petrol. Okay. That is 1 liter of petrol in that 16 kilometer distance has been covered. So quantity of petrol needed to cover the distance. Needed to cover the distance 16 kilometer. Okay. This bus distance is covered in 1 liter of petrol. So let me note down 1 liter. L is the unit. 1 liter. Now what is the question? How much distance will it cover using 2 3 by 4 liter of petrol? Very easy. So we need to mention distance covered. How much distance they are asking? So distance covered by a car in 2 3 by 4 liter of petrol. So how to go with that? Very easy, very simple. 2 3 by 4 indicate that 2 3 by 4 multiply by 16. What is the reason? Because distance in 1 liter is 16 kilometer. So we need to find the distance covered in 2 3 by 4 kilometer. So here we need to write 4 2 cha 8. 8 plus 3 11 by 4 into 16. Very simple. Now you know very well there is something common. 4 4 cha 16. So here it is 4. So 11 4 cha 44 and unit is kilometer. So we need to mention here distance covered by a car. Let's note down it in a statement form. So the final answer in a statement form, we need to mention distance covered by a car in 2 3 by 4 liter of petrol. That answer is coming 44 kilometer. This is the solution and this is the complete statement of question number 7. Easy. So my dear student, here exercise 2.3 is a question number 8 we are given. It's the A part. Look at your screen. Here A we are given in that first one. Provide the number in the box. This is the empty box we are given here such that 2 by 3 into what should I enter here so that I should have 10 by 30. Very simple. What should I mention here? What should I put here so that the result should be 10 by 30 I should have. Okay. And the second we are given the simplest form of the number obtained dash is. Okay. We need to convert it into simplest form also. Okay. So very easy. Let's work out upon this. Okay. First of all, think about that. If I mention 3 and this is 30, then of course I need to write 10 here. Clear? So I need to mention here 10. 10 3 ja 30. Clear? 10 3 ja 30. So what should I write? Which number should I provide here so that the product with 2 gives the result 10? Of course it is 5. Because 5 2 ja 10. So which number in the box I insert? 5 by 10. So here 5 by 10 I am mentioning and I need to bring its a simplest form. Okay, now what is the simplest form of 5 by 10? Let me explain you here. Okay, we know that 5 by 10 can be written as 5 by 1 in numerator and in denominator 5 into 2. 5 to 10, 5 cancel. So the answer is here 1 by 2. So I need to mention that is 1 by 2. This is the solution of A part. Okay, let's see the B part now. So here question number 8, it's a B part now on your screen. We are given one number. Provide the number in the box, this box, such that 3 by 5 multiplied by that number, that fractional number, gives the result 24 by 75. So here you just see, if I multiply 3 by 8, then of course I have 3 8 ja 24. And if I multiply 5 with 15, then only 15 5 ja gives the result 75. So in the box that number is 8 by 15, the same number I am mentioning it here. But sorry to say, there isn't anything common in 8 and 15 between except 1. Okay, so no simplification is possible. So in such a case, the numbers is the simplest form, it will remain same. So far, you try to bring the common factor in numerator and denominator and try to complete it. If not possible, then the whatever the number, fractional number, that is the simplest form of the answer. Got it? This is the complete solution of exercise 2.3 over here. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this exercise and prepare it nicely. Practice it again and again.